Auxiliary Firefighting Unit. The Auxiliary Firefighting Unit is a new and innovative element used to combat forest fires. It is easy to set up and both simple and intuitive to use. Coupling up the unit to the main fire tender involves 4 steps. 1. Bring the vehicle up close to the firefighting unit. 2. Lower the firefighting unit onto the main tender. 3. Set up a hose. 4. Plug in all hydraulic and pneumatic connections. Once the unit has been installed, all that remains is to start up the water pump, set engine rev levels, and open up the water valve and direct the jet as required. The water jet selector may be switched to spray mode, often better suited for cooling down hotspots and putting out small fires. The cannon at the end of the crane pumps water up to 70 meters. Because it is directly operated from inside the fire tender, it affords operators maximum safety as there is no need to physically approach the fire, and because all of the water cannon's main functions can be operated from the safety of the driver's cabin. The Auxiliary Firefighting Unit is a state-of-the-art piece of equipment and should be considered an essential working accessory for natural parks, low rainfall regions, and steep or rugged, hard-to-access terrains. Forest Debris Baler. Nowadays, recycling natural resources is considered essential, with an ever-increasing number of governments and companies investing heavily in this area. The Forest Debris Baler allows for natural forest residue to be gathered, compacted and downsized in order to facilitate handling and transportation. The system is very simple. First, operators pick up large forest debris with the fire tender crane and stack it in the baler bin. Once this is done, the automatic baling cycle can be activated via a push button. A top roller is lowered onto the mass of debris and performs an initial pack down, dragging all collected biological residue towards the first press, situated at the heart of the machine. The debris is then packed down again, creating a cylinder-shaped bale. As the bale moves along to a second press, it is compacted once more, which reduces the original volume by 50%. A sliding carriage then moves the bale along for strapping, and once the second pressing is done, it's up to the first press to pack down the bale for a 4th and final time. Once the sliding carriage has resumed its starting position, the cycle is repeated until desired bale length has been attained, at which point the baler's double blade cuts away a neatly strapped, custom-length compact bale, ready to be carted off and stored away. Forestry vehicle. The Dingo AD6 2453 is a swift, lightweight, low fuel consumption vehicle whose reduced dimensions provide for superior approach, escape and centering angles. It comes with front, rear and central axle shaft locking, which allows for one or several axles to be connected simultaneously. Speed is a major factor in the Dingo AD6 2453. At 40 kilometers an hour, it is faster than any other machine of its kind on the market and comes with an automatic gearbox, which allows it to attain set speeds while traveling both forwards and in reverse. One of its more notable standard components is its front-end bulldozer, which can serve as a safety element, digging into the ground on steep slopes and clearing away obstructed roads. It also comes with a tow winch, allowing large tree debris to be removed from difficult spots or even helping the vehicle pull itself out of slippery, no-grip areas. This vehicle can carry loads of up to 12 tons, affording stability and unrivaled reliability proven over more than 20 years' experience in the forestry sector.